Have you seen that video? One company, 75 employees, have to resign from company because of AI. Be careful while doing your job in Flipkart, Amazon, malls, etc. Do not waste your income in any silly things. Save money, watch news daily about technologies developing, keep giving updates on news. If don't, then you'll feel regretful. In future, unfortunately, comes any problem, you must be ready to face them. If you think that the robots are not developed in India, they are developing in only out of India, you are wrong, friends. The first AI robot is already developed in Kerala, India, and works as teacher. In Kerala, teachers has already begun to teach students the AI technology above 7th standard. In few years, it will be possible to increase the use of AI in all over India. Because of this reason, the Amazon Flipkart or mall jobs, which doing the deaf friends, can be replaced by robots. So friends, be careful while spending money. On silly things, save money and save your future. Robot will work only on charging, but human resources want salary in the form of money. So owner can save money by replacing human resources by robots. Owner will get much more profit after replacing humans by robots.